Hello and welcome guys to another video where we talk about carbon credits, carbon credit investing, everything that has to do with the carbon market. If you don't want to miss any updates on this special topic, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. You would help me out a lot with this, so thank you for that. And as always, I must say that this is no financial advice. Don't buy anything just because you hear from me or from anybody else. Do your own research, you will be thankful. Today we're going to talk about carbon tokens on the blockchain. So crypto has been through the roof this year, and there are many interesting projects about carbon credits on the blockchain. The first one I found was UpCo2 Token. This token unfortunately is not on CoinMarketCap. You can only see it on the website of the token, on the website of Uphold. If you take a look on the website, you can see that the price is $9.49, which is quite a reasonable price for voluntary carbon markets. They claim that the carbon tokens are backed by real CO2 credits. I found it a bit difficult to find the exact place where this is described. They seem honest and transparent. I just wanted to know which projects are they financing, where does the credit come from. So that would be my personal choice. I want to know that as an investor. And like I said, $9.49, that's pretty much the price of a voluntary carbon unit. That's very realistic. The second one is ClimaDAO with the token name Clima. Quite a high price, $1,380 for one token. And if we take a look on the website, which looks very nice, I think, you can see that one token backed by a verified carbon asset corresponds to 1 ton of CO2, so one carbon credit if you want. So they say this is a black hole for carbon, but if we look at the price of $1,380 per carbon credit, then in my opinion, this is a black hole for your money, because I don't know, 1 ton for $1,380. At the moment, even the compliance market is at $80, so quite a way to go. I mean, if carbon 100x in price, yeah, then you will have a good buy, I guess. I think this is quite a high price for a carbon token, but that's only my opinion, so check it out for yourself. Another coin is Moss CO2, Moss carbon credit with the token name MCO2. Sits at $11.51, so more what I would consider a normal price for carbon credits. So on their website, yeah, they say one ton of CO2, one carbon credit, one token. And if we go on the site of Moss Earth, they're actually showing us which project they do. So I think this is quite an advantage and quite a difference from the other carbon tokens, which normally just say verified source. So I want to highlight the Moss CO2 token as, for me, really realistic and quite transparent. Then we have the CUT token, CUT, the carbon utility token, sits at the price of about 14.5 cents. And if we look at the website, which looks nice, but you can see that that's 500,000 tons and 500 million tokens. So 1,000 CUT is one carbon credit, is 1 ton of CO2 equivalent, equals to $145. I think this is quite a high price. I'm just checking again if I did my math right, but this is, as far as I see it, this is the math. So again, you're paying pretty much the future expected price of carbon, voluntary carbon credits, again, for your token. So, I mean, you can expect or you can hope that it goes up much further, but you're starting at quite a high level. So, in my opinion, again, quite a high price for a ton of CO2. Then I found a very interesting project, which is called the Merit Token from Single Earth. And this seems to be more like a carbon exchange with tokens. So I think this is very interesting. I signed up for the newsletter for the interest, and they They have the map with all their projects. At the moment, you cannot really see a lot what they do. Maybe this will improve, but I think this looks very promising. This looks very transparent, but this is still in the startup phase, so they're not selling tokens at the moment, and we're gonna see what happens. But if you have tokens to sell, you can sell them there. If you want to buy, you can buy them there. So I think this looks very nice, looks very professional, and we will see in the future. Then I found another project, which is the Cyc coin, CO2 Cyc coin, CYCE, Cryptocarbon Energy. Sits around $1, but this project was a bit confusing for me. I could not really gather from the website what it is about, what the token represents. From what I think, it is the token are gonna get invested into renewable energies, but they made a very weird estimation that what they need a certain amount of energy to power the whole world, and this corresponds to the tokens. So I'm a bit confused here. This is also a Turkish team, so that all the interviews are in Turkish, and I don't speak Turkish, unfortunately. I would need to further investigate this, but this looks interesting, but I don't really get what the real value of the tokens represent. So all in all, I think there are a lot of projects on the blockchain, more to come. I had a couple announcements of blockchain carbon credits that are coming, and I think the blockchain markets will make the transfers buying for everybody very easy. I heard a lot of comments that people have trouble buying certain stocks, certain companies with blockchain. Everywhere in the world you can buy it at any time. I want to know what's your opinion on the coins. Have you researched anything? Are there any other carbon coins you're looking at? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Stay tuned. We will see us in the next video.